Contamination caused by screed, plaster, or construction foam can rarely be avoided on construction sites. Until now, residue-free cleaning of persistent contaminations has been a major challenge for all plastic window profiles. For precisely those cases, we have developed our new profile film, mattex. Mattex is coated with an innovative PVDF surface. As a result, persistent contamination can be removed easier than from any other plastic surface. Even dried mesh-reinforced plaster is no longer a problem. Mattex makes it possible to use very effective and powerful cleaning agents that weren't safe to use on previous standard films. With the new mattex films, it is important not to use any scouring aids and to apply light pressure. We recommend washing the profile with water after using the cleaning agent. The result? The profile is as good as new. Our new mattex films are water repellent and weather resistant. They will remain in top shape even under heavy environmental influences and protect not only against contamination from screed or plaster, but also against construction foam or adhesive residues. Residues from construction foam can be loosened with a wooden scraper or even by hand. Adhesive tape often leaves a slight residue that can be easily removed using a suitable cleaner. Discover perfect design and optimum functionality for windows, doors, and other structural elements with mattex.